Greetings to you all lovely people. Welcome to my channel, TIWAA'S World. I'm happy to have you here with me once again. Today, we will talk about the list of equipment needed for poultry farming. The number one thing needed for poultry farming is heaters or brooders. They are used in regulating and increasing the temperature of the poultry farm. It helps to keep the bed warm when the weather is cold. In Ghana, mostly in my poultry farm, I use coal pot, charcoal pot, where I use it to keep the beds warm for the first week and sometimes the second week when I bring the poultries. Number two is drinkers, chicken drinkers. This is this is this is an equipment whereby the chicks drinks from it. And number three is feeding equipment. Feeders are equipment used in feeding poultry birds. The food is deposited in the feeder and the birds feed in it. So I have all the photos in the link. So the birds feed from it. The amount of feeders provided for a poultry farm should be according to the amount of birds available. And, and last but not least, charcoal stove or kerosene stove. This is also attached to the heater or the brooders. These are used in places where electricity is not available or costly and where power failure is quite common. These stoves are covered with plates or pans to sustain the heat in the brooding area. Thank you for visiting my channel. I love you, but God loves you more. Bye.